everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review a handheld vacuum by Narwal. This is Narwal S10 Pro, and this is a handheld wet and dry vacuum and mop floor washer. It can do it all. It can lay flat by giving you 180 degrees of capacity, as well as it has an ultimate heavy-duty capability. It can clean edges and corners in an amazing and fantastic way. It's convenient, it's lightweight, it's easy maintained, and it has a unique dry-wet separation technology. So this vacuum has two water tanks, and they're completely separated. This is the dirty water tank, and as you can see right now, there is dirty water right here. So the dirty tank gives you an extra separation. The dirt, the debris, and all the objects goes here while the water stays here. There is a filter right here, so the water comes right here to the dirty water tank, and it is filtering. It's like a type of a net right here. It's filtering all the debris, so all the dirt stays right here while the water is staying right here. So there is a separation between the big obstacles of dirt and between the dirty water. Now the clean water tank is located right here at the head of the vacuum. Well guys, let's get started with the full detailed review of this handheld vacuum by Narwal. Well, let's get started. And here it comes, the new Narwal S10 Pro. It's slim, it's swift, and it's skilled. This one comes with a crazy technology abilities that I am gonna tell you all about it in details right now. This one has an ultra powerful 14,000 of PA, which is equals to 76 AW suction ability. So this one is ultra powerful. Now this one is also comes with a pressure of 17 newtons mop pressure. So whenever you are cleaning your floors, you're not just mopping, you're actually washing the floors. The 17 newton mop pressure is about 30% higher if I'm gonna compare it to the current industry. And yes, I've never seen so far a vacuum and a mop floor washer with such a high newton pressure. That's a lot, as well as the 14,000 of PA suction ability. Guys, this is like a lot. I'm telling you, that's the highest I've ever seen. The highest I've ever seen before was 9,000 of PA suction ability, while this one has 14. It's like way better than everything else I've met before in my entire life. Then this Narwal S10 Pro handheld wet and dry vacuum, as well as mop floor washer, is also ultra light. This handheld vacuum gives about 42% less muscle fatigue if I'm going to compare it to the competitors, thanks to the center of the gravity of this vacuum, and it is located at the bottom. It's actually so very easy to move this one all around your house. It's lightweight, so no any type of tardiness is expected after you're using this vacuum. Also, it's very easy to manipulate it, and well, let's face it, who is usually cleaning the house? Female. So I am a female and I have a terrible back problem after delivering my baby, so the ultra light weight is so very important for me, because to me it's so very easy to just go ahead and clean my entire house with this vacuum and mop, and it's so very easy for me and for my back. Now this one is also flexible. It comes with a 63 degrees of a left and right maneuverability, all that to increase a side-to-side cleaning efficiency. So it's super easy to manipulate this vacuum. It goes easily under your furniture. It can easily get to any corners of your house. It's easy to use this one on any type of hard floors, and it's easy to get to these low and hard accessible locations like under your couch, under your bed, under your furniture. This one also has an 180 degrees of a lie down / edge to edge type of a cleaning ability. So this one is super flexible, 180 degrees on the horizontal, as well as 63 degrees on the vertical. This vacuum works on the ultimate heavy-duty cleaning capability. It has the active water cleaning system. So what's happening is that it has two separate water tanks. One, the clean water tank, goes inside of the head of the vacuum. It's located at the very bottom. And then the dirty water tank located on the handle of the vacuum upper. It utilizes intelligent water spraying algorithms to ensure that the brush remains moist through the cleaning process. Then with this 14,000 of PA suction, with the 600s of the RPM and the 17 newtons of downward pressure, all that works in one big amazing synergy, and that to ensure that there is no residue of any hair, dirt, or stains during the suction. This vacuum is also excellent in cleaning any type of edges and corners, so this one can easily reach under furniture as low as 5.9 inches. This This vacuum designed with one single brush, and by the way, you are getting an extra brush in the package as a gift, as well as an extra HEPA filter. So thanks to the single brush design, all the debris can be easily collected into the dirt tank, into the dust bin. It's able to give this ultra fine edge cleaning ability. With the 6 millimeters of precision, it is ensuring that all the corners of your house are spotless. And with the 180 degrees of a lay flat capability, it's definitely easy and convenient and effective to clean your floors with this vacuum. This vacuum is also very easy to maintain. It has the hot wave self-drying function as well as self-cleaning. It's gonna dry the brush with a drying temperature of under 55 degrees by Celsius, while the drying duration is gonna be about 30 minutes or less, and the drying rate is gonna be about 95%, while the drying noise it's less than 56 decibels. Now this one comes with a station, of course, and once you are gonna put this one on the station, you can use the self-clean button option that you have on the machine or the handle itself. And then the machine gonna self-clean itself by using electrolyzed water for germ-free type of a cleaning. And now guys, this vacuum has the thing that I was willing and wishing for the most in that type of vacuums. So all other handheld vacuums, the one that can mop and wash your floors actually, their problem is that they are collecting everything into one dirty tank. So you have the dirty water tank and you'll see their hair and debris and garbage all together with water. Amazing, right? Narwal S10 Pro is different. It uses a unique dry-wet separation type of technology. So that technology is ensuring that the dry mess and the wet waste are completely respectively placed in different areas. This makes the maintenance way more convenient since you don't need to deal with the dirty, disgusting water full of debris, full of garbage. You need to clean this mess. Well, things are different with Narwal. Here, you only need to empty the dirty water tank and the dry mess is going to be separated from the wet mess. Now let's talk about the powerful batteries this vacuum works with. It has a long-lasting performance, which is amazing. Works on the powerful batteries and has a large water tank for uninterrupted cleaning for us, the users. So once it's fully charged, the vacuum can achieve a runtime of 50 minutes and cover a cleaning area of 3,200 of square feet. This is like double my house. Yes. Now this vacuum is also an intelligent one. It has the smart dirt detection ability. So it's going to automatically detect the level of the floor dirtiness and it's going to display it on the LED smart screen that you have on the handle. And the vacuum can adjust the cleaning intensity accordingly to the floors. So for an example, you're cleaning your house, it's all fine, it's all great. And then suddenly, oh my God, you got into a huge mess. So the vacuum is going to automatically adjust the water level from standard to max. And it's going to automatically adjust the suction power from standard to boost. Max suction power. Then you have multiple cleaning modes that you can choose from. So you have 5 different modes for any type of need that you can choose from to work with. You can select the modes through the smart LED screen on the handle itself. So the modes that you can choose from, it's the max mode, then it's the auto mode, when it's going to automatically adjust to your current floor situation by sensing the floors. Third mode, it's the suction mode. Fourth mode, it's the turbo mode. So it's going to work on his max abilities on the turbo mode. And the fifth mode is going to be the quiet mode. So if your baby's sleeping or whatever, any other reason, and you want it to be quiet, well, choose the quiet mode. So guys, this Narwal S10 Pro handheld wet dry vacuum mop floor washer can do it all. As you can see, it's easy to use, it's lightweight, it's easy to manipulate it and to maneuver with it all around your house. It cleans and leaves the floors crystal clear, shining and rising. Yes. So guys, I will highly definitely recommend it to check it out. Guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed this video of mine. I personally obsessed with this robot. It cleans so very well and I strongly believe that there is no mess that this Narwal S10 Pro handheld vacuum cannot take care of. Test me. I really want to know your opinion down below in the comments of this video of mine. Well guys, you're so very welcome to check Narwal S10 Pro out. I'll leave you all the links down below in the description box, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, discounts, promotions, and so very on. Everything you need to know can be found down below at the description box to this video of mine. Now guys, if you don't want to click the links down below, you're always very welcome to search Narwal S10 Pro on Google or on Amazon, and you will be able to find this handheld wet and dry vacuum and mop floor washer successfully. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to check out Narwal S10 Pro. That's my new favorite thing to work with all around my house. And subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.